Welcome to episode 36. This is the season start of 2020. After the coronavirus, we were able to get Queen Bee back into the water. It was a very ugly day, strong winds, 6 degrees in May only, and heavy rain. The day after, with much better weather, I just set the sail and finalized everything else, got the things back on board. We boarded Queen Bee the weekend after. It was a wonderful weekend with amazing sunset. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumb up and click the subscribe button.
Good morning. I'm on the way to Lake Chiemsee. That's actually the ice holly, or however we call that kind of anomaly of our weather. And it has only 6 degrees. That's not what I want. 6 degrees not too bad, but that heavy rain is not what I actually want to experience. But at least Queen Bee gets back into the water. My sailing instructor helped me to set the riggings and the mast, so he will explain me how that works, because I have no clue how that is actually proper done. Yes, let's see how that is working out. I have another around 8 to 10 nautical miles before I reach our tiny harbor on the lake. With that rain, I will be pretty wet. I have my special clothes with me, and I hope I stay a little dry at least on the body. I don't want to get a cold. With heavy rain, Queen Bee is on the way. I'm pretty happy once this is done. So I just get behind it. There were even some cars in the background. Yeah, that's the disadvantage. And we are at the harbor. Yeah, I don't know how to do this with mast. It will be totally wet. Fine, I even don't see anything. I hope that works. It's already in the water so fast. Yeah, there's Queen Bee and it's rigged. I'm pretty happy, but just heavy wind outside and very heavy rain. What a shitty weather! I can't believe it. So I have 5 liters and I hope that is enough until there. Last time I have consumed a little too much, so I'm going pretty slow now. And yeah, let me see, I talk to you once I reach my harbor, because this is really bad weather. So anyway, there I have to go. So I need to observe the depth. And I hope I have really, and I pray for enough petrol, because of something got vanished over the winter. 5 liters should be enough. It just consumes 5 liters an hour, so and I need 40 minutes actually to go there. Yeah, as you can see, it's really not the weather where you want to be outside. So I just tie the boat and we'll be back tomorrow, and later I need a bath. So I'm freezing like hell. We have 7 degrees and that in May. Yeah, waves 20-25 centimeters, but still fine. I'm going midwind, so I hope I can show you when I'm in a shipyard there and I can tie the boat, or I'm tired. I've made it back. Queen Bee is at home. But no more I'm not going to do today. This is so super ugly. Oh well, here's Queen Bee, and yeah, she also happy being back into the water. Yeah, it's windy. I miss some breath because of I can't really move in this clothes. And Queen Bee, you're here. So I go back tomorrow. I have still to fix a couple of things. So, good morning. Day 2. Still cold, but not that rainy as yesterday. And it was a nightmare yesterday, actually. Of course, I was so frozen. I was super wet. That was not actually what I expected. Never mind. Today I just get the sails ready. I have to clean a little bit on top. Of course, I don't know, it looks like some birds were shitting on. But I believe I can finish it in the next 2 to 3 hours. I just prepare coffee and will be slightly happy after I can get back home because some other work is waiting there. It's accomplished. It's a wonderful evening. I still get warm. Yeah, let me show you how Queen Bee look like. Here she is, beautifully, and a lot of shit from some mauve, but I've cleaned her. Just the seawater is doing what expected. Yeah, well, a few boats are still there, and I don't know if we want to go tomorrow, but Queen Bee is now ready. This will be so nice up when we have the beautiful sunsets. Yeah, that was bringing Queen Bee back to water. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and please leave a comment. I'm so happy having the new season ready, and yeah, Queen Bee, bye bye. Probably we see us tomorrow. If not, then we see us next weekend for a couple of days, because we have a public holiday on Thursday in Germany, and that will be amazing. So I took some leave and we can stay here from Thursday probably until Sunday. So happy that's the first day where we are back on the boat. It's sunny, we have a little wind, we didn't expect that, which is good, and there are a lot of people already, that's great. So there's a subman, he comes a little bit close to mine. Wow, some very dark clouds, as you probably can see here. So I have to wait. We'll get better, probably soon. At least we have some wind, that's good for the first day, and we enjoy it. I have just a small problem with our cooling box, since I used a very cheap cigarette plug from China, so it's not working as expected. I need to change that one with some proper connectors. I'll do that probably the next week, that shouldn't be a big issue, and we're working. What a wonder, the sun is coming out. Well, we have something which is called Bavarian clouds. So it's blue and white. It's now 3 something p.m, which is probably the time where the wind direction changes. So it's very light wind, we are making 1.5 knots only. But at least we are outside, we can enjoy it, and sometimes we have some shadow. That's also not too hot, it's actually perfect. Perfect would be if we would have a little more wind. And the problem with the cooler box still continues. I don't know, that is part of the plug, I guess. Will be fixed next week. I hope not that our sushi, salmon and tuna got the problem, because still inside it was cold, but still 9 degrees because it was frozen, so it was closed. It's a very tight one. Yeah, let's see what's sushi doing this evening. And a little update in between. wind gun. Just simply wind gun. Stuck in the same place for approximately now, nearly 1 hour. And we have maybe half an hour. We just didn't move more than maybe 10 meters. So I put in the Genoa because even it doesn't make sense. We have to wait until that changes a little bit. Just have a look on the water. As you probably see, that's flat like a mirror. So probably I should try to walk on it because it's a mirror. Yeah. Anyhow, there behind is the beach club. That was actually the idea we had going there. Since we're not moving, also the catamaran over there not. So what to do? I know what to do. It's the Aperol Spritz we need. Here comes our sushi at the evening. Sails are still up. Water is like flat like a mirror. And the fish is dead on our plate. It's good. I hope everything went okay. Of course, I still have this small issue with our cool box. But it's a beautiful evening. Even if sunset is close to, it's actually another 15 minutes. We have to go back home because we are around 6 sea miles, so nautical miles away from our tiny harbor. That will take us 40 minutes. I'm not speeding, so save some petrol, the environment friendly. And the tiny blower is on. A wonderful evening and this beautiful sunset over the first day on the lake. Actually not the first, but the second. First was just coming back, falling in the boat. So now we have 3.80 meters, so I get the rudder up and attached to our shipyard. Good morning. It's the second day, and again the wind just stops. There are some tiny gusts, which is nice, and probably one is coming, but I think we are going for sailing only an hour or 1.5, and then we go back and do better some hiking. Of course the wind flips a little bit, I don't know where it wants to come from, and that does not really a lot of fun. Good. What a day! 2 days, no too much wind. Even if the forecast said none, a little funny, but thunderstorm is approaching. So we said it's enough. We enjoyed the 2 days, slept on the boat, enjoyed our holidays. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe. We will support you and bring more of our Lake Chiemsee videos. Bye bye.